book. Now you can see there are two objects in this sentence. Gave what means a book. This is direct object. This is also non-living thing. Gave whom? Me. This is an indirect object. So we have identified one thing. This is direct and indirect object. Now we will come on our topic. The topic is, if in any sentence if two objects are given, means there will be two passive. So how we will change into passive? First rule is direct object, helping verb, third form plus to plus indirect object plus by plus subject, other verb and full stop. This is the first rule. You can change into passive. Direct object. What is direct object? A book. Now helping verb. This is simple past, means past continuous. A book was. Then third form given. Then to. Then indirect object is me. Then by. Then subject is he changed into. So this is the passive. A book was given to me by him. This is first passive. Now we will come on second passive. So second rule is, first thing indirect object, then helping verb, then third form, then direct object, then by, then subject, then other verb. We can change this sentence again. See, me change into I watch, given a book by, he changed into him. So these are the two rules. Then we can change into passive voice if two objects means direct or indirect object as given. Now you can ask one question, sir, you have told me there will be two passive, but in exam how we will identify which one is correct? Remember, only one option or one answer will be in your options. Remember, either this one or this one. Okay? Both are correct. Both passive are correct. Next one is interrogative sentence. Now we will talk about passive of interrogative sentence. We know very well there are two types of interrogative sentences. First one is yes no type and second one is WH type. I have already told you about both in previous video. So we will come on our topic, that is helping verb, then object, then third form, by, subject, other verb and mark of interrogation. For example, has mother cooked food? This is yes no type because we can reply in yes or no. Then has food been cooked by mother? Mark of interrogation. Second one is WH type, means it starts with WH word, then WH word, helping verb, object, third form, by, subject, other word. Remember, this is also known as past participle form. I have already told you, in some exam they ask one question, what is the past participle form of go? I am telling you very important thing. They ask what is the past participle form of go? Then remember, past participle will be gone, 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 G-O-N-E, gone. And past form means second form, went. Remember, if the question is past form, then you will tell went. If question is past participle form, then you will tell gone. Remember. So rule is, I have already told you, WH word, helping verb, object, third form, by, subject, other word, mark of interrogation. When has he written a letter? Then passive will be according to the rule, WH word when, helping verb has a letter, third form being written by him, then question mark. Okay, so we have completed two parts. First one is passive of interrogative, and if two objects are given, then what will be the passive voice? Okay. Okay, students. Now we are going to discuss passive of modals. This is very important. Remember, passive of modals. Then, if we talk about passive of modals, we know very well modals are the auxiliary verb, means can, could, may, might, ought to. These all are modals. Remember, with modals we always use base form of the verb. You know very well, this is the identification of modals, and modals can't stand alone. With modals we always use main verb. For example, I can do this work. So we are using do as a main verb with modals. So modals can't stand alone. So today we are going to talk about another thing, that is passive of modals. Very simple, and this is the rule. Rule is, remember, object, then modals, then be, then third form of the verb, then by, then subject, then other verb. This is the rule. Example, I can do this work. I can do this work. This is the example. You can see here modal has given. So object is this verb, can be, then third form done by, object is me. So this is the passive of modal. This is the passive of modals. Okay. Remember, this is not direct and indirect where can change into could. Can will be as usual. Remember, can will be as usual. Okay. So I have written here this work can be done by me. This is the passive of modals. This is the passive of modals. Hello students, now we will talk about passive of infinitives. Remember, we know very well infinitive means 2 plus base form of the verb. Okay, for example, I am written here, I am to learn French. So here we are using to learn. This is infinitive. Remember, this is infinitive. We know very well, we use infinitive to show the purpose and effect. For example, I go to school to study. So what is the purpose behind going to school? Because we go for the study. Okay, so we will talk about how we will change into passive voice if infinitive has given in any sentence. Very simple rule. Remember, I always focus on one thing, follow the rules. Only follow the rules. Not only for English grammar, for your life also, if you follow the rules, things will be easy for you. Remember, things will be easy for you. So always follow the rules, always learn, don't read. Learning and reading both are different. You know very well. So try to learn, not to read. This is the thing. So I have written here one example. I have to learn French. So this is infinitive. You can see here. The rule will be object, then helping verb, then to, then be, then third form of the verb, then by, then subject, then other verb. Okay. Then change into passive. Object is French, then is, then to, then be, then learnt, by, subject is I change into me. So this is the passive. French is to be learnt by me. One more thing I want to add here. Remember, if infinitive has given, there will be no change in tense. You can see here we are not changing is, am, are into is, being, are being, am being. Tense will be as usual. So this is the passive of infinitive. Okay, this is the passive of infinitive. We can change into passive of infinitive following this rule. Understood?